Hello Lovelace, you're welcome to today's exposition. Today we are going to be taking proven 10 and its powers. What are the powers of 10? Powers of 10 are numbers such as 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on and so forth. So when you multiply 10, 10, 10, 10 and so on and so forth, the numbers you get are the powers of 10. So we've been on this series for some time. We've taken a couple of numbers. We've taken proven 2, proven 3, proven 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and today we're going to be looking at proven 10 and its multiples. So what are we going to have? What do we need to understand today's exposition? The first thing we need is basic division knowledge, very important. You have to know how to divide. We've said this many times. The next is 100% concentration. So let's look at the logic for today's exposition. What is the arc or what is the logic? 10 and its fellow resultant power, such as 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. divide numbers based on the number of zeros they have as them. So it's very simple. So how do I get to know if 10 will divide a number? The only way I can get to know if 10 will divide a number is by looking at such a number. Since 10 has 1 0, it means that number that 10 is about to divide must also have at least one or more zeros at the end of it. Now look at this. Test 5,250 divided by 10. 10 has 1 0. So since 10 has 1 0, it means when you look at this number 5,250, 5,250 has 1 0 also at the back. So it could have 1 0 or more than 1 0. So, but the fact is, the last digit must be the last digit must be 0, at least one or more 0 as 10. Since 10 is 1 0, the last digit must have one or more zeros. So 5250 divided by 10 is very possible. There won't be a remainder when 10 divides this. So let's divide that. 0 cancel 0. What do we have left? 525. Now look at the next one. Test or proof 624,000 divided by 100. How do I get to know if 100 will divide 624,000 without a remainder? What will I do? It's very easy to tell. The question is, how many zeros does 100 have? 100 has 2 zeros. So this same number that's about to divide, that's about to be divided, how many zeros does this number have? This number has 3 zeros. So since this number has the same number of zeros at the end, the same number of zeros as this 100, and even more, it means there won't be no remainder. It means 100 will divide this number without a remainder. So let's take out the zeros from the back. What do we have left? 6,240. So let's see a couple of more examples. Test 315,740 divided by 1000. Now look at this. Test this. Test 3,157,400 divided by 1000. When 1000 divides 3157400, will there be a remainder or not? Don't forget that 1000 is also a multiple of 10. So the question is, how many zeros does 10 have? How many zeros does it have? 10 does 1000, I beg your pardon. 1000 has 3 zeros. So how many zeros does 3157400 have? 3157400 has 2 zeros, as you can see. Now since this has 2 zeros, why this one has 3 zeros? There's no way there won't be a remainder. There will surely be a remainder. Why? Because it doesn't have up to the number of zeros as the divisor. That's why there will be a remainder. So let's divide. 0 cancel 0. 0 cancel 0. Now 10 divide this. 10 and 3. 0, remainder 3. 10 and 31. 3, 30, remainder 1. 10 and 15. 1, remainder 5. 10 and 57. 5, remainder 7. 10 in 74. That is 7. 70, remainder 4 over 10. There will surely be a remainder. So this is how we get to know if 10 could divide a given number or not. Not just 10 and its multiples. So here are a couple of stuffs I want you to help me tackle. Just tackle the stuffs and tell me if there will be a remainder or not in the comment section. So right here, number 1, test this. Just state it if there will be a remainder or not. Test or prove. And the last one, test. So at this point, we're going to be drawing the curtain on today's exposition. So please do subscribe to the channel and share this video if you find it resourceful. See you in the next exposition.